Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi.
What are you gonna do today?
Today we're going to open a package.
From who?
A kind of America state.
From an America state, yes. It's from Deb Boya.
It's American people state.
Yeah, it is. From America. Are you excited?
Yeah! I can mumble a lot because my sore throat.
What do you think it is?
A toy!
You have a lot of toys.
Ouch.
Wow.
Whoops.
Wow. This looks like Easter eggs now.
What's in there?
Is that Abigail's?
It's everybody's.
Eggs! It's eggs!
It's eggs?
Yeah! It's eggs! I just found it out! It's Kinder eggs or something! Wow. Open it, Abigail. Pick it. Pick it. Pick it open. That's her time to pick. A picking girl. Here, look at that bug up there. Is it a moth or a bug? What kind of bug is it?
It's a wasp. What you got, Abigail?
Eggs.
You got eggs?
No, these
All right,
eggs.
hold on. Oh my goodness.
Kinder Joy! Yeah, right! Kinder Joy! Kinder Joy! Uncle, let me have one. Easter eggs! Yeah. Nope. I'm just kidding. Here.
We're not
Okay.
eating it right now. Okay. All right, what else? Wow, lots of stuff. Oh my goodness.
Whoa! We got more treats! This is Tri-Treats!
No, it's Deb Boya. Oh my goodness, look what it is. Look, it's from Israel.
Israel!
It's from Israel.
What?
2 packages. Awesome.
How did we get an Israel package? That would take one whole day. Or one whole night. More Kinder Joy!
2 cases. What are you gonna do with this? Are you gonna do FoolyFun videos with this?
Yes!
What do you say to Deb Boya?
Thank you!
Thank you, Deb.
Thank you, Dad.
This is not even it. She has 2 huge boxes for you to open. This is only the first box, and we're still not even done with this one. What else is in there?
One thing left. I think it's Israel. Let's get one of these. Here. What is it?
Tea biscuits.
There's
A
6.
taste of a taste of home. A taste of Hadar's home, because it was only my home for about 10 years.
Yeah.
Your home forever, though. You've always lived there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what?
What?
How's your home 10 years?
Huh?
How's your home 10 years?
I lived there for 10 years. But before that, I lived here in America.
Yep. Way before every single United States in America you lived in.
Right. Are you ready to open the second package?
Yeah, I think it's Israel treats.
Yeah.
Because she got you so many Israel treats.
No, this is a different kind of treats.
Yeah.
And this one is, there was only 2 Israel treats in there, so I think this is all Israel treats.
This is like a taste of Israel, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's open the next package.
Do not crunch.
Crush. Yes. And you'll see why.
A cat!
A cat?
Yeah.
Okay, let's read it.
Cat.
Let's read what she says. This was in the second box underneath.
That looks like our cat. But 2.
Okay, thank you very much. It was private, so I will not read it. Yeah, you really want that cat?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what you got in this box. She
Bubba.
opened it to check.
It's a Bubba. What is this?
Bubba!
Wow, why is there so much Bumba in here? We don't have enough space for everything in our cabinet.
We can find room for Bamba.
Or we can just stuff it in the box.
Yeah.
Is this Bumba for babies?
Can we eat it right now?
Sure.
After the video.
After the video, yeah. All right, say thank you to Deb.
Thank you, Dad.
She sent all this for you guys. So you could have a taste of Israel.
Wow. Is this what Bumba looks like in Israel?
In America, yeah. It's in English. It says Bamba.
Yeah. That's awesome!
It's made by Awesome, actually.
Here you go.
Awesome.
What? Bubbles?
Yeah, Bubbles, because she didn't want it to get it crushed. Oh, yeah. Now you get to play with Bubbles.
Thank you, bye.
Thank you, bye.
Ah, it's letting stuff on my hand.
Pushing stuff on my head.
Ooh, look.
Okay, thank you, Deb.
Thank you, Dad.
Can we eat it all?
I'll show her all the treats we got. The Deb treats first.
The Deb treats, yeah.
Deb treats?
We'll call it Deb treats.
Deb treats. This is Deb treats.
And Israeli treats.
I love you, treat.
Thank you, Dad.
Thank you, Deb.
I like your treat.
I love you, treat.
Hey guys, so we have a lot of stuff going on in here, so I'm going to go outside and talk to you for a minute. A lot of people have asked about us opening our P.O. box again. We have had it closed for probably, I want to say 2 years, because we have known that we are moving to America, so we didn't want to, you know, have people send things and us not be able to take them over to America with us. However, now we're in America, and we've had so many people ask us if we will open the P.O. box. Now we live in a tiny house, okay? So there's a lot of reason why we didn't want to open a P.O. box, because we live in a tiny house and we wouldn't have any room to put anything.
We don't live in a tiny house. We live in this big house.
We live in this big house.
Yeah.
This big house has 700 and something square feet in it. So it's bigger than our other one, but it's there's not a lot of room to put things.
The other one.
Yeah, it's bigger than our other house, yeah?
It's not bigger.
It's not bigger. It's like the
not.
same size. There's a lizard over there.
Hey, where's the wizard?
There's a lizard over there for Kitty. She's shaking her tail. She wants to get the lizard. Kitty, get the lizard. Kitty, get it.
Kitty, 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 kitty. Yeah.
So we have decided to open the post office box. However, it's not going to be now. It's going to be a while from now, and we will announce when we do open a P.O. box. But we really appreciate, yes, we really appreciate that so many of you have said that you wanted to send us a welcome home gift, because, you know, we're home in America now. Yeah, we really do appreciate that. It is the end of the day. I'm so tired. We're going to cut Hadar's hair. I'm waiting on him right now. He's getting all of the attachments that we'll need to do his haircut. And we are coming to you from the future, because I have so many things, so many projects going on, and all of the days are like all mixed up. But it's fine, because it's getting done, and I have a video up every single day, so it's been quite the experience not being organized and, you know, trying to work on 5 different things at one time. It's been quite the experience. So anyway, I just wanted to say thank you. And to the 2 people who have already sent gifts, especially Jana and Ania, or Anaya, I don't know if I'm saying that wrong. I can't remember which way to say it, but they sent clothes for the kids about a month ago. Deb just sent this gift, and it was really, really sweet because, you know, the kids haven't had bamba in a long time, and it was like a regular food in Israel, so I think that was really, really sweet. Okay, so I'm gonna go cut Hadar's hair right now, and I will see you guys later. Have a good day.
Bye. Bye.
Good morning, my pretty girl.
Good morning.
Come here.
Don't get her no pit bull.
Well, I do want one.
It touched me.
He's gonna get fixed. It's gonna be a miracle.
Do.
We have to leave now.
And the teacher gave this to me for Abigail for today.